and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
What are the things to keep in mind while losing weight? Weight loss calls for way of life modifications, no matter how a whole lot we might want for short solutions. It requires work, adaptability, and a whole lot of staying power. There is a lot that goes into it. A holistic approach is essential for achievement, which is measured in the way you experience, no longer what a scale says. It includes placing thoughtful dreams, searching at your bodily activity ranges, adopting healthful ingesting conduct, getting sufficient sleep, coping with, and being cognizant of confounding elements that may be outside your manage, including fitness troubles or hormones. It is additionally clearly important to note that when you have a history of disordered consuming, a plan won't be a healthy desire for you. You should seek advice from a medical doctor earlier than making modifications your food regimen or exercise routine. At the end of the day, the underlying goal is to experience better physically, mentally, emotionally, however you define it. That is what you are operating in the direction of. The first step for making the method less complicated is to treat your frame in a loving way from day one, in preference to withholding positivity until you attain a specific variety on the size. That approach, ditching the judgy voice for your head and performing like your own nice buddy. The subsequent step, craft a plan to be able to make the manner of losing weight sustainable over the lengthy haul. If you are prepared, inclined, and able to circulate ahead, the following 8 recommendations will assist you to do simply that. Be sensible. Effective weight loss requires non-public honesty. Make positive any changes you will make are practical for you and your way of life. Maxine Young, MSRD, CDN, NASM CPT and founder of the Wellness Whisk tells self. That means don't plan on cooking a wholesome meal every night time. In case you hate spending time in front of the range, instead you may commit to cooking nights every week and ordering from a restaurant with healthy options the relaxation of the time. It is additionally essential to be honest approximately your personal food choices. If you clearly don't like a so known as wholesome food like quinoa, don't force yourself to devour it, says Yang. Instead, craft a consuming plan that emphasizes healthful foods you definitely experience consuming. Identify your intrinsic motivation. Getting clear about why you need to lose weight will offer you with the gas to maintain going whilst your clear up starts to weaken, as, let's be sincere, it inevitably will. I would inspire individuals who are taking into account getting more healthy to take the time to mirror and journal about what subjects most Shirley Mast, RN, BSN, and Take Shape for Life health coach tells self. Mast recommends asking yourself the subsequent questions. Why do you need to be healthier? What could that seem like for you? Why is that essential to you? How would you experience in case you reach those desires? How might that affect human beings you like and those who love you? When you get clear at the solutions to those questions and hold to remind yourself of why you are getting more healthy, it is a good deal less difficult to live on track with making healthful picks on a constant basis. Choose a nutritional approach that works for you for weight loss. In spite of all the hype around numerous diets, there honestly is no one first-rate way to eat for weight loss, says Yuan. The secret is to select a dietary method that fits without problems into your lifestyle. The high-quality weight loss plan is one which works for the character even as offering suitable nourishment, says Yuan. Generally, I encourage eating healthier overall that specialize in deciding on greater whole ingredients, having balanced meals, and practicing moderation with less than healthful ingredients as opposed to presenting a strict meal plan. Still, some people may gain more structure when it comes to meal planning. Sometimes a structured weight reduction plan is less complicated for human beings to control of their busy lives because they don't have to think about what meals they have to eat, says Tamara Melton, MS RDN LD, Vitamins Communications and Well-being Representative and Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics spokesperson. They can also assist to get someone used to a proper component size of food. So, freshmen to healthful eating would possibly don't forget starting on a based weight loss meal plan, after which adapting it as they get greater relaxed with new consuming behavior. But again, when you have or are in restoration form a consuming ailment, this could not be the first rate desire for you. Focusing so much on numbers can take a variety of people to a darkish place that is genuinely not helpful. Take it slow. Rapid weight loss can occur, however, it is rarely sustainable, says Alyssa Ramsey, MS, RD, CSCS, and spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Slow and steady weight loss is the way to go as you'll be much more likely to keep that weight off in the end. A healthy price of weight reduction is typically everywhere from half to 2 pounds per week, she says, but strive now not to get too stuck up in these weekly numbers. Instead, focus on consistency in relation to eating properly and operating out. The excellent thing to do is to slowly exchange your behavior and construct sustainable, healthy eating styles over time, says Ramsey. Look past the meals. It may be smooth for people to consciously simply on what they are ingesting and at the weight loss development, says Mast. But sustainable weight loss is predicted on other elements as nicely. Mast emphasizes that locating a supportive community or one-on-one health instruct is precious. Without a high-quality assist device or the knowledge to develop a healthy diet weight reduction plan, your weight reduction is probably to stall. Don't panic if you hit a plateau. Go smooth for your frame if your weight loss slows down in some unspecified time in the future inside the technique. Plateaus are very regular, says Melton. It is annoying at the frame to lose weight. Plateaus assist your frame to take damage and to make certain that all of the body systems are nonetheless in healthful running order earlier than losing any more weight. Changing up your food plan might help you pass beyond a plateau, but, says Young, it actually varies individual to man or woman. Sometimes the diet desires to be re-evaluated and every now and then other factors like strain levels, sleep and stages of physical interest may be playing a component and need to be addressed. In different phases, don't anticipate a plateau way. It's time to consume fewer calories. Instead, consider the larger image to become aware of any and all contributing factors. and be open to the fact that your frame might be glad proper where it is miles, even if you had been hoping to drop some other 5 pounds. Keep feeding yourself. Achieving the weight reduction you had been after may be simultaneously exciting and a letdown. When you are no longer transferring towards something, it could sense just like the winds being knocked from your sails. To maintain your weight loss, you will need to hold feeding your salt. Keep up along with your healthy habits, ingesting healthfully, retaining steady physical hobby, coping with stressors, and napping nicely, says Young. It is vital now not to simply forego your new lifestyle because you reached a weight intention. It can also be useful to set new health desires for yourself, which include going for walks, a 5K, or getting 8 hours of sleep every night time with the intention to keep your ahead momentum, says Mass. And recollect, keep focusing on the motivators you diagnosed while you first began towards your goal. Be kind to yourself. As you enterprise to shed pounds, take into account to be your very own cheerleader. Practice self-care and praise yourself for building wholesome conduct. Above all, says Melchin, don't compare yourself to anyone else, although that someone else is you 2 decades ago before you had kids and a profession and so on. Focus on searching ahead and supply yourself pep talks to live influenced. There is a right way to exercise. Working out burns energy and fats and boosts your metabolism by way of constructing muscle. But the ones looking to shed pounds are notorious for overestimating the range of energy they burn and underestimating the amount they soak up. Unfortunately, your machine is biologically programmed to hold directly to extra kilos, says Louis Aron, MD, a professor of metabolic studies and the director of the Comprehensive Weight Control Center at Weill Cornell Medicine. That approach, while you begin exercising, your frame senses the deficit and ramps up its hunger indicators consistent with the review of weight loss studies. If you are no longer diligent, you will devour the whole lot you burn, after which a few. Cardio receives all the workout glory. However, energy and C programming language education are the actual heroes. They assist you to build lean muscle, which in turn increases your metabolism and calorie burning capacity, says Lance Dalek, PhD, an assistant professor of exercise and sport technological know-how at Western Colorado State University. His advice: every week electricity teach to 3 days. For the exceptional outcomes, additionally, do 3 to 5 aerobic periods that burn 250 to 400 energy each. Not all calories are created equal. The mechanics of weight reduction are pretty simple. Take in fewer calories than you use for power. But the type of meals you devour makes all the difference. A calorie is not only a calorie. Dr. Aron says, processed meals that are excessive in saturated fats and refined starch or sugar can motivate infection that disrupts the hormone signal that tell your brain you are full. He explains, the end result, you devour lots more. Plus, studies show that junk food may be addictive. The more you eat it, the extra you need to get the same feel properly results. One handful of potato chips won't cut it any longer. So, you preserve consuming and consuming, Freshe says. Clean up your food regimen. Swap in whole, unprocessed foods, which includes greens, lean protein, and wholesome fats in order to fill you up and provide you with the most important dietary bang in your calorie greenback. In a few weeks, as your brain begins receiving ordinary hunger, and fullness alerts over again, you may be aware that you feel less hungry ordinary and naturally begin cutting lower back on the amount you eat, Dr. Aaron says. While you are at it, log each meal. Keeping a daily food diary, there are lots of apps for this too. It can lead to widespread weight loss as it makes you accountable, studies show. One has a look at published inside the American Journal of Preventive Medicine observed that folks that kept day-by-day food records lost approximately 2 times as much weight as people who did not. Protein, produce, and plant-based fats are your weight loss trinity. Here is why ingesting the 3 Ps often will assist you to drop kilos. Protein fills you up. You want it to build lean muscle, which continues your metabolism humming so you can burn more fat. Dr. Aaron says, people in a weight loss program who ate double the endorsed each day allowance for protein, approximately 110 grams for a 150-pound girl, misplaced 70% of their weight from fat, while those who ate the RDA lost handiest about 40%. One have a look at located. Produce is packed with filling fiber. It is very difficult to eat too many calories if you are eating loads of vegetables, says Caroline Apovian, MD, the director of the Nutrition and Weight Management Center at Boston Medical Center and the writer of the Age-Defying Dietitian Case in Point. 3 cups of broccoli is a lot of meals, but only 93 energy. Fruit is any other tale. It can be clean to overeat and might incorporate quite a few calories from sugar, so be sure to display your intake. Plant primarily based fats like olive oil and those in avocados and nuts are wholesome and further satiating. Low-fat diets make people irritable and sense-deprived because fats stay top and keep you full, Dr. Apovian says. Aim to contain each of the 3 Ps into every meal and snack. People who eat protein for the duration of the day are able to preserve the weight off, according to have a look at inside the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. In addition to meat, chicken and seafood, top sources are beans, lentils, eggs, tofu and yogurt. As for fats, maintain element sizes in check with the aid of measuring out salad dressing, oil and nut butter. Shoot for 1 to 2 tablespoons. Finally, eat vegetables or a little fruit at every meal. People who did that ate up 308 less energy. However, did not experience any hungrier than ones they did not devour more produce. Observe in the magazine Appetite stated. Meal skipping, fast juices, and crash diets will backfire always. When you lose weight on a fast or a crash food plan, you do not learn to consume healthier, modify your element sizes, or address whatever is triggering your overeating within the first place. So, the pounds quickly go back. Fouché says, the physical damage goes deeper. The worse the fine of a weight loss program or the greater restrictive it is far, the extra you come to be burning precious muscle to deliver power. Dr. Aaron says, you are dropping muscle in place of fat, so the weight reduction is just a phantasm of achievement. Depending on how a lot of weight you want to drop and what sort of food you presently eat. Try to reduce 500 to 1000 calories a day through each diet and exercising, Fouché advises. Limiting yourself to about 1500 calories a day won't go away you ravenous, but it is going to help you spot motivating modifications on the size. How you eat is as important as what you eat. In order in your mind to check in that you are completed, you need to recognize on what you are ingesting. Physical satiety is carefully tied to mental pride. Bakbuses says, people inform me all of the time how tough it is for them to lose weight due to the fact they love to consume. But by no means they deal with their food. They eat while watching TV, studying, riding and running. No wonder that in accordance to analyze, ingesting whilst you are distracted outcomes in eating a massive range of greater energy and afternoon. Sit down whenever you devour, ideally at a desk. If you ask someone to recall what she ate in a day, she will forget about a maximum of the food she consumed. Status up. Bakbuses says. Turn off the TV or computer, position down your smartphone and look at your food. Smell it, chew slowly, and do not position another bite on your fork until you swallow. When ladies ate lunch this attentively, they ate up 30% less when snacking later than those who listened to an audiobook at lunchtime, consistent with and observed within the British Journal of Nutrition. Weighing yourself really works. The scale offers the nice evidence approximately whether your efforts are paying off, Bakbuses says. Seeing the numbers tick up or down or stagnate is motivation to preserve going or to rethink your technique. 2015 Have a look at Cornell University observed that day by day weigh-ins helped human beings lose extra weight, maintain it off and hold that loss even after years. Step on the size at the identical time every day for the exceptional effects. If your weight shoots up numerous kilos from one weigh-in to the next, do not freak out. Eating a whole lot of salt the night before or having your length is the in all likelihood wrongdoer. The number should return to normal in a day or so. It is a steady climb that you want to do something positive about. Too much stress and too little sleep are your enemies. When you are worn out and frazzled, your body cranks up the production of cortisol, the pressure hormone which could reason carb cravings. Frouche says. Not getting sufficient sleep additionally boosts your stages of ghrelin, a hormone associated with starvation, at the same time as suppressing leptin, a hormone that signals fullness and satiety. People on a weight reduction plan who slept most effective 5.5 hours a night for 2 weeks misplaced 55% less fat and have been hungrier than individuals who slept 8.5 hours, in keeping with a look at within the Canadian Medical Association Journal. Prioritize sleep, aiming for 7 hours or more a night, which research shows allow decreased strain, and ensure you are getting exceptional ZZZs. If a loud night breathing partner or a fidgety cat wakes you up regularly at some point of the night, you can end up getting the equal of just 4 hours of sleep, according to a look at from Tel Aviv University. Keep pets out of the bedroom and use a white noise app to drown out loud night breathing.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.